The wero was laid and accepted ahead of Te Mata Wānanga, one of the biggest events on the calendar of Te Wānanga o Aotearoa. Te Mata Wānanga brings the country's second largest tertiary institution together in friendly yet fierce competition on the Ihaka stage. Today, the different kapa from throughout the motu, their supporters and kaimahi of Te Wānanga o Aotearoa were welcomed by their waiariki hosts at Maunga Tapu Marae on the shores of Tauranga Moana. Among the many attending the Powhiri was Te Taiuringi Jim Mather, who says Te Mata Wānanga is one of the organisation's very special events.
Every 2 years we get to come together and celebrate what's unique about this organisation. It's about kotahitanga, unity of purpose. It's about our whanaungatanga, our special qualities as a whānau working together. And it's also about celebrating what we do each and every year in terms of our support to our tauira, but it's also a major celebration about what a special organisation this is.
In 2005, when the Crown came into Te Wānanga o Aotearoa and wanted to take over the total management, the staff were feeling hurt, they were feeling confused, they were awfully dejected, and Mike decided that we needed to have a kaupapa that was going to bring everyone together, that was going to ensure that the whakawhanaungatanga, that the whanaungatanga and the wānanga was going to be strong.
This year's Te Mata Wānanga will see teams from the three takiwā of Te Wānanga o Aotearoa, Te Ihu, Te Wainga and Te Kei in competition for the top prize.
What's really exciting for me is that in the changes that we're now going through with Te Raumairanga, our staff still have the opportunity to engage with each other on kotahitanga, embracing te aroha, ngā ture, and all of our values that make us so special as an organisation.
With finishing touches being laid on this afternoon, the stage is set for Te Mata Wānanga 2015, where Tupuna mā Tauranga ki Apakura will be looking to make it 3 wins in a row. James Ihaka, Te Wānanga o Aotearoa.